friends, it's Digital D again. This week, you should have practiced your facts within 5. So we're looking at all the things we've done this year with addition and subtraction, with our fact families and our number bonds, and we're trying to start to put all of that up here in our head. Let's review some of the facts you should know right now as a kindergartner.
In Lesson 20A, we're practicing the facts we know to 5. So all of the things we're working with are only going to equal up to 5. All right, so practicing the facts, and we have learned both addition and subtraction. So we're going to see both of those things together. So you're going to have to be extra smart and look and see what sign we are using, whether we're using the addition or plus sign or the subtraction and minus sign. All right, so let's look at our first fact. So my first fact is 3 plus 2. So remember, the plus sign means we are adding 3 plus 2. Now, I want you to try to do this on your own. And you've learned lots of strategies to be able to add numbers. Sometimes we might have to use our fingers. Sometimes we might need to draw pictures. Sometimes we can just count on. So I want you to do this on your own, by yourself, and then we're going to share what answer we get. So our problem is 3 plus 2. So what do we get when we get 3 plus 2? I want you to shout out the answer. 3 plus 2 is 5. I saw some of you that were counting on your fingers. I saw some of you that it looked like maybe you were counting on in your head. Did anyone need to draw a picture and count the pictures? Raise your hand. Okay, so 3 plus 2 equals 5. That's something that, again, we're going to keep working on till you just know that by memory, or you know that in your head. Let's look at this one. What is this problem? Read it with me. 5 what? What's this sign? Minus 1, or 5. This is subtracting 1. So go ahead and think about that. How would you do 5 minus 1? So 5 minus 1 is 4. And I kind of just knew that because when we did this in class, we talked about finding 1 less. And when we subtract 1, means we're just taking away 1. And so I kind of knew that if I have 5 and I take away 1, that gives me 4. Some of you may have put your fingers up and taken 1 away. That's fine too. Let's look at this one. 1 plus 3. So again, pay attention to what we're doing. And we're seeing this sign. We're doing what? Are we going to add or subtract? That's right. We're adding. So what is 1 plus 3? 1 plus 3 equals 4. Give me a thumbs up if you just knew that 1 more than 3 equals 4. Touch your nose if you had to use your fingers to count on. Good job, friends. These are all strategies that we can use, all right? Even like I said, sometimes we might need to draw out pictures and count them, and that's okay too. What about this one? What are we going to be doing? What is our sign? Our sign is for subtraction. So 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. Let's see this one. 2 plus 2. I want you to turn to someone near you, or a partner, or a friend nearby, and tell them, how can you find 2 plus 2? So some of you might have used your fingers. Some of you might have counted on. 2 and 2 more equals 4. So I could put 2 in my head and I could count on 3, 4. Awesome job, friends. What about this one? 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. Turn to your partner or someone close by and tell them, how can you find 4 minus 3? For this one, you might have needed your fingers. You might have put up 4 fingers and taken away 3 fingers. How many fingers would I have left if I did that? 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Like I said, friends, we're going to keep working on memorizing and knowing our facts. Next week, instead of just working with 5, we're going to work with facts up till 10.
Awesome job, friends. Working on memorizing those facts, keeping them in your head, is going to make you a great math student. Now, if you don't know all those facts just yet, we have time to work on them. We have all of our strategies we've used this year that we can keep practicing until we have those facts up in our head. So don't worry about it. But next week we're going to keep working on facts, but now we're going to make them facts within